City owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You. Oh, 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 oh. Took a morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Oh, round and around it goes. And all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. Oh, 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 oh. So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours. I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are.
Ayan, it's really good to know when you are home. Di ba kay sarap umuwi? Kung ikaw ay may uuwi ang isang masaya at isang nag-iintay sa iyo, isang tahanan. So I hope you all find your home within you. Ayan, isang magandang gabi sa mga taong bayan na nandito sa ating MS Teams. Good evening, everyone. We are now 129 in this MS Teams. Good evening everyone sa mga ating early birds kanina pa lamang. Hello Ma'am Michelle. Sir Melchor, Ma'am Yolanda, Ma'am Lenny, lagi mag si Ma'am Lenny. Ma'am Monet, ang favorite mo ang kanta ng, ng Ben and Ben, Ride Home, di ba? Ang sarap kayo malaman kapag you are at your home. Di ba? Kasi pag sabi naman tahanan, hindi lang yung simpleng isang bahay, di ba? Isa yung alam mong welcome ka, lugar kung saan alam mong tanggap at hindi ka pinagkakaila at kung sino ka. Ayan. Hello? Ayan, marami na tayo. Ma'am Judy Ann. Good evening, Ma'am Jedelias, Ma'am Ivy Tuwando, Sir Jofek, Sir John Ira, Ma'am Ara Luella, Ma'am Janet. Ayan. Blessed evening to you too, Sir Joffrey Camates. Yan, Ma'am Darlene, Ma'am Janet, Ma'am Algene Einstein, Ma'am Annabelle, Ma'am Jeshobel, and Sir Joshua Z. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, mga babies, mga taong bayan. We'll still wait for the others to join. And we'll start in a few minutes. Kumusta, kamusta, kamusta? Ayan. So how was your Monday kahapon? And today is our second day of our college algebra session this week. We are now in our week 4 ng ating week 4 na ba? Week 4 ng ating mentorship session. And again, welcome to CBRC, where the dream and the dreamer become one, and we promise to bring out the best in you. Again, I am Sir Vince William A. Kabotayatap to last January, isang Agila to CBRC, and welcome to another ultimate learning experience. Ayan. So dumarami na tayo. Hello po. Ayan, dumadami na tayo. Sige, we'll still wait for the others to join. We'll start in 3 minutes. We'll start at exactly 7:05.
Mayakap sa tuwing ako'y nalulungkot, kaya't huwag magtataka kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala. Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan, nandito lang ako, laging umaalalay, hindi ako lalayo, dahil ang tanging panalangin ko ay ikaw.
Ayan, sana all daw na ang tanging panalangin ay ikaw at makamit ang iyong pinapangarap na lisensya. Kasi alam ko yan ang inyong mga pangarap. Ayan, muli magandang gabi sa mga kapasok pa lamang. We are now 225 in this MS Teams room. Ayan, we'll start in 1 minute, 7:04 na. Ayan, paki-mention na, pakihanap ng inyong mga tropa peeps, ang inyong mga classmate, kasi we will continue our discussion about college algebra. Ayan, muli, good evening, magandang gabi sa inyong tanan. Ay ano yung kasabi, naimbag na rabi, yan, sa inyong tanan. At kung paano man sinasabi ang magandang gabi sa inyong dialekto, good evening sa iyo. Ayan. Wala man nagsasabi sa iyo ng good evening. No, bumabati sa iyo every morning, ako na. Let me do it, ako na. Itabi mo, ako na ang babati sa iyo every night. Kasi I will be with you until the first week of June for our majorship session. So this is late night, no? Hindi naman late night. Night with Sir Vince. At ako makasama ninyo sa unang mga buwan ng inyong paghahanda para sa review for your mid. At alam niyo ba, last season, we had our group sa FB kung saan nung kami nag-sharing ng mga thoughts. Tapos, nung nakaraan ay posted yung yung isampal nyo sa akin yung rating nyo. At nakakatuwa kasi maraming mga math major, ang line of 8, line of almost 9, ang kanilang majorship na rating. Some of them got 89, 88, 87, and sabi nila, Sir, ito na-expect. Thank you po sa inyo ni Ma'am Ivy, ni Ma'am Therese, kasi po you made it real na magkaroon kami ng mataas na majorship na rating. So sabi ko sa inyo, walang may iwan sa ilalim, lahat ay aakyat pataas. No, walang may iwan sa laylayan, ang lahat ay aakyat pataas. Dahil CBRC, ang lahat ay papasa. Ang lahat ay magiging LPT, and some of you ay bibiyayaan pa ng pagiging top-notcher. Kaya, to start our day, gusto kong isigaw mo ng malakas kapag sinabi ko, magiging LPT. Anong sagot? Anong sagot? Ako yon. Ako yon. Ako yon. Sabay-sabay. Magiging LPT. Ako yon. Ako yon. Isa pa. Magiging LPT. Anong sagot? Anong sagot? Ako yon. Ikaw yon. Ikaw yon. Nasa harapan ko yon. At walang duda, ikaw ang next LPT ng iyong pamilya, ikaw ang next top-notcher ng iyong paaralan, at ikaw ang susunod na magiging proud CBRC Eagle next September 2023. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan, marami na tayong buhay ng mga taong bayan. Simulan natin ang ating discussion ngayong araw na ito. Handa na kayo? Ako yon. Ikaw yon. Kasi this time, ikaw naman. Ano nangyari? Ayaw niya mag-share. Wait lang. Yeah. Ikaw yun. Ayan. So let's start with our session part 2 for Algebra. So kahapon, sige, let's have a quick recap of what we had discussed yesterday. So kahapon, ang pinag-usapan, mabilisan. So this will be a drill, mabilisang recall ng ating pinag-usapan kahapon. Sabi natin, a relation is composed of an ordered pair. So lahat ay nagsimula saan? Sa isang ordered pair. Now, an ordered pair is in the form of what? In the form of x, y. Tama ba? X, y. What do you call x? What do you call x? What do you call x? Very good. It's abscissa. Ang tawag sa x? Abscissa. Eh yung y. Ang tawag sa y? Ang tawag sa y? Very good. It's your ordinate. Ang tawag sa y? It's your ordinate. It's your ordinate. Pag sinabing relasyon, ano siya? Set of an ordered pair. So let's say meron kang 1, 2. Meron kang 3, 4. Meron kang 7, 8. Meron kang ilan? Meron kang madaming ordered pairs. Ilagay mo sa isang set. Ang tawag sa kanya ay relations. Pag sinabing relations, ano siya? It is a set of an ordered pair. Now, ang isang ordered pair, lalagyan natin ngayon ng domain siya, range. Kapag pinagsama-sama ko lahat ng mga x values, anong tawag doon? Pinagsama-sama ko lahat ng mga x values, anong tawag doon? X values. It is the set of all x values. Anong tawag doon? Very good. It's your range. Domain. X values, domain. It is the set of all y values. The set of all y values. Anong tawag doon? Very good, range. Now, meron tayong 4 na uri ng relasyon. 4 na uri. Ano yung una? Yung loyal, yung green flag. Anong tawag doon? 1-to-1. Isa para sa isa. Yung pangalawa. Ano yung pangalawa? Very good, 1-to-many. 1-to-many. Ikatlo, many-to-one. Ika-apat, many-to-many. Ayun yung kahapon na. Again, this is only a recap of what we had discussed yesterday. Now, question. Sabihin mo sa akin kung true or false. Sabihin mo sa akin kung T or F. True or false? Question. All relations are functions. True or false? All relations are functions. T or F? T or F? All relations are functions? Very good. False. False. Mali yun. Mali yun. Hindi lahat ng relasyon, tandaan mo to, hindi lahat ng relasyon nag-function. Kaya nga nakipag-break ka sa jowa mo noong nakaraan ng isang buwan kasi nga hindi ka nag-function. Tandaan mo, hindi lahat ng relasyon nag-function. Okay? Now, ito naman. All functions are relations. All functions are relations. Anong tawag doon? True or false? Sorry, true or false? Very good. It's true. Tandaan mo pag nag-function yan, it is indeed a relation. Now, question. When do we say that a relation is a function? Kailan mo sabi ng isang relasyon ay isang function? Una, dapat kapag yan ay naka-ordered pair, ano dapat? Walang maulit na x. Ulitin ko ha. Kapag yan ay naka-ordered pair, dapat anong mangyayari? Ano makita mo? Walang maulit na x. A function is a set of ordered pairs kung saan walang naulit na x value. Ibig sabihin, dapat lahat ng x, lahat ng iyong domain ay unique. Walang naulit, mag-isa lang siya, wala siyang kaparehas. Anong tawag doon? Function. And next, what if ang ibinigay sa board exam ay isang arrow diagram? Isang arrow may naka-arrow. What do you do here? Dapat, ang sabihin natin, loyal si x. Dapat ano? Loyal si x. Si x, may isa lang pupuntahan. Okay? Kapag si x ay may dalawang pinuntahan, anong tawag doon? Not function. But if yung dalawang x, let's say si 1 tsaka si 2, goes to 4. Pwede ba yon? Yung 1 tsaka yung 2 goes to 4. Pwede ba yon? Pwede. Ang usapan, dapat sino? Loyal si x. Very good. Loyal si x. Now, sabihin mo sa akin kung ito ba ay function or not. Sabihin mo sa akin kung function or not. Okay? One to many. Function or not? One to many. Okay, ano ba? Review lang to kahapon. Review. Basta lang bilis mo. Review nga to kahapon. Kung wala ka kahapon, balikan mo yung ating recording ha. Ito ay lesson kahapon kaya talaga mabilis. Kaya po, sa mga wala kahapon, tayo review kahapon. Function or not? One to many. Very good. Not. One to many, not a function. One to one. Very good function. Many to one. Very good function. Many to many. It is a function. Very good. Then kahapon, we also start discussing algebraic expressions. Kahapon, pinag-usapan natin ang algebraic expressions. Example, I have a number 2x plus 5 equals 3. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Let's write on your screen. Okay. 2x. Again, review lang ito mga bibis. Kaya talaga mabilis siya kasi review to. Yan. Question, what do you call 2? Anong tawag kay 2? Very good, it's your numerical coefficient. Anong tawag kay 2? Very good, it's your numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Anong tawag kay x? Hayop, mapangloko, mapanlinlang. Hindi, iba yun. Iba naman yun, ha? Iba yung x mong niloko ka, pinagpilit ka sa pangit, pinagpilit ka sa mas malapit. Iba yun, be. Oo, yung parang gumaganon-ganon ka pa. Iba yung x yun, ha? Dito ang tawag kay x. X is called as, very good, literal factor. Ano tawag kay x? Literal factor. How about 5 and 3? 5 and 3. Very good, it's your constant. Hindi nagawago, siya lang walang kasamang ibang value, walang kasamang ibang x, constant. Now, ano ba nagkaiba ng expression at ng equation? Ano ba nagkaiba ng expression at ng equation? Ang expression, ito, exercise 5. It's an expression. It becomes an equation kapag mayroong equal sign. Mayroong equal sign. Now, sabihin mo sa akin kung ilang terms. Monomial. 1 term. Binomial. 2 terms. Trinomial. Very good, 3 terms. Polynomial. Many terms. Very good. Kapag pinag-usapan ay about terms, it's mono, bi, tri, and poly. About terms. Next, about degree naman tayo. Let's talk about degree. Pag-usapan natin ang about degree. Ano ang highest degree kapag ang isang equation ay quadratic? What is your highest degree? Very good. It's 2. Quadratic, it's 2. Next, linear. Degree is 1. Pag linear, degree of 1. Constant. Degree of 0. Wala siyang degree. Cubic. Degree of 3. Very good. That's how we get your degree or exponent. Now, how do we get the value of x? So, pwede ka mag-solve mathematically or you can use the shift calc. Shift solve. Okay? Yung ating huling diniscuss kahapon, yung shift solve natin. Now, let us continue with our discussion. Nakuha ba? Marami ba nasagot? Sige. Kung 10 questions lahat, rate yourself 1 to 10. 10 kung marami ka nasagot sa drills, 1 kung wala ka nasagot. Sige nga, rate yourself. I want you to rate yourself? Marami na sagot, 10. Wala na sagot yung isa, 1. Sige, rate yourself. Sir, question po, kapag 4 or 8 ang highest degree, hindi na po, wala na siyang tawag, wala na siyang specific name. It's called as simple equation. Ang meron na special name ay hanggang 3, cubic equation. Sige, rate yourself. Oh, marami na sagot. Si Sir Ma'am Maisel, Ma'am Bibelen, Ma'am Monet, marami na sagot. Ayan. So, gagawin ko kasi every time before I start my new lesson, we will recall the past lesson para meron tayong connections between those lessons. May 5. O, yung iba, konti na sagot. O, yung iba, very good. May 10. Yan. Ibig sabihin nun, marami ka na-retain mula kahapon. Let's continue. So, kahapon, ito yung pinag-usapang kahapon, monomial, the degree, polynomial, and the degree. Yan. Question. Sabihin mo nga sa akin kung anong degree na to. Let's say meron tayong 2x squared plus 4x minus 9. Sige, what is our degree here? What is our highest degree? Very good. It's 2. Highest degree? It's 2. Bakit? Kapag ang pinag-usapan ay madaming number, you get the highest degree. Maraming terms, you get the highest degree. Maraming term, you get the highest degree. So dito, our degree is 2. Very good. Our degree, it's 2. It's a quadratic function. Expression. Next, how about this one? How about 8x3 y squared minus 8xy cubed? Dito na lang tayo. Plus 11x squared y. y4. Okay? Question. What is here our degree? Ano ating degree dito? What is our highest degree? Is it 4? Sir, 4 kasi may y4. Ganun ba yun? y4, ganun ba yun? Hindi. What do we do kapag ganito? Multi-variable ang sinasabi dyan. Ito ay multi-variable. Marami siyang variable. Hindi lang one variable. We have multi-variable. Marami tayong variable. What do we do? You add the degree. You add our degree. So ito, it's 5. Tama? 3 plus 2, 5. Ito, it's 4. So bakit naging 4 yan? Di ba 3 lang yan? Meron niyang 1, di ba? May invisible 1 dyan. Dito, degree natin, it's 6. What is our degree? Very good. It's 6. Degree is 6. You add the multi-variables exponents. Okay? So that's how you get the degree of a polynomial. A question. In our example, which is our leading term? See nga? Which is our leading term? Leading term. Sa ating huli example. Ito yung 8x cubed y squared. Very good. This is our leading term. Question. Sabi mo sa akin kung true or false. The leading term is always at the beginning of an expression. Sabi mo sa akin true or false. The leading term is always at the beginning of an expression. True or false? Very good, false. Hindi siya lagi nasa unahan. Yes, commonly, nasa unahan siya. Commonly. Yun alam ng mga taong bayan. Pero tandaan mo, hindi lagi. Kasi sa math, yes, common, pag ganito, ito, common yan. Leading term ay 2x squared. Yan. That's really the leading term, 2x squared. Normally, nasa unahan siya. Pero hindi lahat na expression nasa unahan ang leading term. As a math major, you must be able to spot pag sinabing leading term, highest exponent. Pinakamataas pag inad ko per term. Okay? Now, let's talk about now the polynomial function itself. Yan. So a polynomial is in the form of this one, a sub n, x raised to n, plus a sub n minus 1, x n minus 1, plus until you're constant, where a must not be equal to 0. Now, ang hirap naman yan, huwag kang kabahan dyan, it's only definition. Ang mga math major, kinakaba kasi, puro definition, ang hirap, huwag kang kabahan. Hindi naman sa major tatanungin ka ng mga concepts, ng definitions. Sa board exam, it's all problem solving. Siguro, 90% of your majorship ay problem solving. 10% ay concepts. Ano lang siya. So, tandaan mo lang pati yung polynomial, pwede siyang gawin to. F of x is equal to 18x raised to 6 minus 8x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 7x cubed minus 8. Parang ganyan. Ano tawag sa kanya? It's a polynomial. It's a polynomial. Sige nga dito. In our given polynomial, what is our highest degree? Highest degree. Very good, 6. 6. What is our leading term? Leading term. It's very good. It's 18x raised to 6. And tawag sa leading term, it's 18x raised to 6. Okay, now, which is our constant here? Which is our constant? Eagles. Nasa ating constant dyan? Constant? Very good. It's -8. Tingnan ko ha. Highest degree? Highest degree? 6. Very good. Leading term? Leading term? 18x raised to 6. Constant? Constant? -8. Question? Question. Sabihin mo sa akin true or false. Sabihin mo sa akin kung true or false. The leading term always contains the highest degree. Sabihin mo sa akin true or false. The leading term always contains the highest degree. True or false? Very good. It's true. It's true. Totoo yun. Na kay leading term ang highest degree. Now, let's talk about the operations on polynomial. Okay? Operations. Ang una is how to add and subtract functions. Actually, para ka lang dyan nag-add ng isang expressions. So you simply add expressions. And be careful, tandaan mo to, when you add, dapat you add only the similar terms. Most important rule, you only add similar terms. Okay? Okay? You only add similar terms. Okay, let's recall similar terms. When do we say that two terms are similar? Una, dapat may same exponent. Sorry, same variable. Unang kailangan, same variable. Ito, 2x at saka 4x. They are similar terms. Bakit? They have the same variable. Question. Lagyan ko ito ng 2x squared. Are they still similar terms? No. The answer is no. Bakit? Ikalawang kailangan, para sa similar terms, unang kailangan dapat same variable. Pangalawa, dapat yung mga variable ay same ang degree. Okay? And observe, these two terms that do not have the same degree. So they are not similar. Okay? Yung kanina, yes, similar yun. Yung 2x at 4x, they are similar. Pero yung 2x squared at saka 4x, they are not similar. Okay? Now, let's have an example. Let's have an example. Example, meron tayong f of x. Let's say 8x squared minus 4x plus 1. And g of x, which is 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay? So let's find 2. Number 1, let's find f plus g of x. And number 2, let's find f minus g of x. Yan. So let's operate on our polynomial. So, pwede mo ako sabayan, pwede mo ako unahan, pwede mo akong unahan mag-solve para kung alam mo na to, edi good for you. Kung di mo pa alam to, then stay and makinig muna. Okay, una. Let's talk about the sum. Addition muna tayo, addition. So pag addition, what do? You simply add these two functions. So we have two functions, f of x and g of x. So i-add mo lang yan, you simply combine them. You simply combine them. So ano mangyari dyan? Magiging lang yan, magiging 8x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus the other term, we have 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay? Now, ang ginagawa ko dyan, ang aking tip sa inyo, pag addition, ito yung pinaka-basic sa lahat. Pag addition, ito yung pinaka-basic sa lahat. Bakit? You only spot yung may similar term. Spot similar term and then combine them. Or simply, in mathematics, combine like terms. Okay? So, tanong, meron bang same na the term ang 8x squared? Meron ba? Meron. 5x squared. Combine them. Now, makinig sa akin. It's letter to letter, number to number. Kapag they are similar, don't mind the similar. Kasi ibigay lang ko dyan, nalito na, sige nga question. What is 8x squared plus 5x squared? Yeah. What is 8x squared plus 5x squared? Okay. Ano to? Plus 5x squared. Ano sagot? Ito ba ay 13x4? Yan ba ay 13x raised to 4? Sir, ano yan, sir? 13x raised to 4. Inad lahat. No, 8 plus 5, 13, 2 plus 2, 4. Hindi. Makinig sa akin? Hindi. Hindi. Bakit? Bakit? When you combine like terms, you only combine the numbers. Again, when you combine like terms, you only combine their coefficients. You only combine the bases. Hindi mo kino-combine ang variable. You simply copy that. So ito ay 13x squared. Okay? So 8x squared plus 5x squared. Nagawa ko dyan. So utak mo, you only add the bases. 8 plus 5, 13x squared. Next, negative 4 plus 2. Diba? Similar yan? So they are both having x. Okay? Negative 4 plus 2. So dito kailangan alam mo yung basic math. What is negative 4 plus 2? Very good. Negative 2x. Negative 2x. Next, ito na. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. It's, what's your answer? Very good. Minus 2. It's 1 minus 3. It's negative. Okay? So this is your f plus g of x. Yeah. Okay? So marami nagkamali. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo mga nagkamali. Bawi tayo mga bibis. So even nilito. Nilito ba kayo sa ano? Sa addition? 1 minus 3, negative 2. Ang gawin mo lang dyan, meron kang isa. Bawasan ng 3. Ilan meron ka? Negative pa nga, di ba? Negative 2. So, yung mga hindi master ko yung basics, baka mahirapan tayo, ha? Sige, ganito na lang. Yung mga hindi master yung basics, ang assignment nyo, you watch my refresher session, tinuro ko doon yung basic addition. Sige, wait lang. Let me cut muna by this slide. Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Kasi I see here that some of you got it incorrect dun sa 1 minus 3. So, meron akong tip sa inyo. Wait lang. Sa ating MS Teams, again ha, this is short commercial. Naka-post na po ang ating refresher session. Yan. This is our MS Teams. Ano ito? Short commercial. This is go to refresher. Again, this is for those na nahihirapan sa basic. Kasi nga, hindi ko siya pwedeng balikan. Kasi I am now in college algebra. If I will be going back to the basics again and again, mahihirapan tayo ng konti mag-move forward. So assignment to, sa mga nahihirapan sa mga basic algebra, halimbawa, negative 8 minus 2. Nahihirapan ka doon. Sige nga, try nga natin. Sige nga, let's try it. Nabilisan. Negative 8 minus 2. Para lang makita ko kung ilan pa nahihirapan sa basics. Kasi mahirapan tayong mag-aral ng complex mathematics in the next months kung hindi mo master ang basics. Sige, let's try it. Mabilisan lang. Negative 8 minus 2. Negative 8 minus 2. Very good. Negative 10. Negative 10. Negative 8 minus 2. Negative 10. 7 minus negative 5. 7 minus negative 5. 7 minus negative 5. Sagot. 7 minus negative 5. It's 12. It's 12. Positive 12. 7 minus negative 5, it's 12. It's positive 12. It's 12. Next. Negative 8 plus 2. Negative 8 plus 2. Negative 8 plus 2. Negative 8 plus 2. Very good. Negative 6. It's negative 6. It's negative 6 po. Negative 6 yon. Next. 7 plus negative 9. 7 plus negative 9. 7 plus negative 9. 7 plus negative 9. It's negative 2. Negative 2. Okay? Now, kung marami ka nasagot doon, kung tinama mo yung marami doon, alam mo na yung basics. Kung marami kang halos lahat minali mo, you need to go back to basics. And assignment. Sige, assignment na lang. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng tumagal dito kasi nga, we are not in college algebra. Medyo malayo na tayo sa basics. Okay? So, pasensya na hindi ko na muna mabalikan yung basics kasi nga, we need to move on din with our time. We need to catch up with our time. Kasi tandaan mo, major shift ay meron din tayong limited time to catch up with our lessons. Na assignment na lang to, assignment. Sa mga hindi pa master ang basics, you go to our MS Teams. Yan. You go to our Teams. Ito yung ating guide. Then you go to our Teams. Then punta lang po sa refresher session. Refresher, recorded lecture. Go to refresher. Then just go up ng kaunti. Yan. Ayan po ako. Ako yan ang nag-discuss. Then just click on the link. Lalabas naman yan. Tapos, mapanood nyo na ako. Ako rin nag-discuss niyan. Discuss ko dyan ang basics. So, ako rin yan. Ito yun, no? Ako sa inyo. Ako rin yan po yan, mga babies. Yan. Kung napansinin nyo, ako rin yan. So, I discuss yung basic mathematics. Ha? So, ayan. Okay? So, ayun, assignment ha ng mga hindi pa masyadong master ang basics, you need to go back to this video. You watch it all over again para mabalikan mo yung basics. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay. So, next question tayo. Let's have minus. Let's have subtraction. Okay? Let's have subtraction. Okay? So, how we subtract functions? So, tandaan mo lang to. Ang tip ko sa inyo, ganito. Tip ko sa inyo, ganito. Grade 7 topic daw. Okay, gusto mo muna. Pero kasi, again ha, meron po kasi hindi yung talaga ito math major. I mean, they are only unit earners. At marami akong nakita ang unit earners sa inyo. Para some of you are ComSci, some of you are IT, some of you are ibang courses. And kaya nga kailangan dahan-dahanin. Okay, next. How do you subtract functions? So, lang yan. Again, you copy the first or you copy the minuend. You copy the minuend. 8x squared minus 4x plus 1. Tapos minus. Makinig sa akin, makinig sa akin. This is the important rule. This is our... Bakit hindi ka mabura? Sige, wait lang. Minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay? Hindi ko siya mabura. Ang nangyayari. Patungan ko na lang ng highlight. Ayaw niya bumabura. Okay? Ayaw niyo na? Ayaw niyo mabura? Okay? Parang tayo malito. Hindi siya mabura kasi nga nasave ko pala siya as picture. Okay? Game. Parang hindi kayo malito. Now, ito ang point rule. Yung minus dito, ito yung kalimitan na co-commit na error ng iba. Ang ginagawa nila ganito. Ginagawa nila, ito yung error nila. Ginagawa nila ganito. 8x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. Yan. Yan yung literal na ginagawa, which is wrong. Kapag ito, ginawa lang ito ng manually, iba sagot dyan. Mali yan, mali. Mali yan. So what do you do here? Makinig sa akin. Itong negative na aking operation, ano gawin mo? Ipasok sa loob. Ano gawin mo? Ano gawin mo? Ipapasok sa loob. Actually, oo. Kasi na to, yung si Ma'am Realin, same naman sila may parentheses. Pero ako kasabi ko sa inyo, I am not fond of long math, lalo pag yan ay major shift, which requires as lesser time to solve. Mas okay ako sa mabilis ng solving, yung rektahang solving. Pero tama naman po, if we will be practicing yung ating rules, kailangan ng parentheses. Okay? Pero kasi, mas required kasi ang parentheses kung subtraction. Kung addition kasi, I don't care sa parentheses. Kung addition yan, wala akong pakialam. Again, nadaan mo, kapag yan ay addition, we don't care about parentheses. Yes, tama naman po si Ma'am Realin, it is important. But since ito ay nasa major shift at hindi naman po required ang grand solution, doon na lang tayo sa mabilis, ha? Sige, now, what do we do? Papasok sa loob. Gusto niya pasok na pasok. Iba talaga sa Lenny. Ipapasok para pasok na pasok. Ito, papasok mo sa loob. Okay? Or use distribute the negative sign. So what will happen here? Magiging ganito yan. 8x squared, copy mo lang yan. Minus 4x plus 1, minus 5x squared, minus 2x plus 3. So saan ang nangyari dyan? Ano po nangyari, sir? Ganito lang yung mga bibis. Itong negative, negative times 5, negative 5x squared. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times negative, it becomes positive. Okay? Yan yung normal na nami-mistake ng iba kasi hindi nila nagawa. Okay? Next. Next step is to combine like terms. Combine like terms. Okay? Let us combine like terms. You have here 8x squared minus 5x squared. Anong sagot? 8x squared minus 5x squared. Again, ha? Don't mind the operation, the variable. Just simply combine the coefficients. 8 minus 5. Very good. It's 3x squared. Next, negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2. It's negative 6. Okay? Last one. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Very good. It's positive 4. This is our subtraction. Okay? It's 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay? Nakuha niyo ba yung dalawang item? Nakuha ba? O kung nakuha, mag-send ng heart reaction kung nakuha ninyo ang ating dalawang equation na ito. Kuha ba? Sige, let's have another example. Okay na? O sige, paki-screenshot. Then let's have another example. So, another example. Okay na ba? Sige, paki-screenshot. In 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Let's have another example. F of x is equal to x squared minus 3. And then g of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 1. And so find number 1, f plus g of x. And number 2, g minus f of x. Sige, try it. I'll give you 2 minutes to try. 2 minutes to try. Go. Try it. Sketch papers, try it. Sige, 2 minutes. Sabi ko sa inyo, the only way to learn math is to do mathematics. You do it. Kayo lang. Then, send your answers on our chat box. Ba't sikat talaga sa X? Ako puro X tayo mga baby. Puro X. X kung X. Meron agad si Ma'am Baby Len. Same as Ma'am Justine. Wow, may number ko si Ma'am Justine. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, let's solve it. Number 1. For number 1, we have f plus g. Sabi ko lang dyan, wala akong pakialam. I mean, hindi naman literal wala akong pakialam. I mean, dito, you just simply add it naturally. Kumbaga, add mo lang siya ng walang kineme, walang kinamberlo, ng walang parenthesis. Add mo lang yon. So, x squared minus 3 plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 1. Okay? Then let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Question. Ano dapat ang mauna? Tandaan mo, ang mauna dapat ang ating highest degree. The first to be written in the paper or in the choices should be the highest degree. Question, what is our degree here? Highest 3. So, dito unahin mo ang cube. Question, meron bang ibang may cube? Meron bang iba? Wala. Yun ang ating unahan, 2x cube. Okay? So, wala na to. Next, combine like terms, meron tayong x squared plus 4x squared. Ilan yun? So, tanong, yan ba ay ano lang? Sir, x squared plus 4x squared, ano lang yan sir? 4 din. Kasi wala naman pong number yung x squared. Tandaan mo, meron tong invisible 1. Meron niyang invisible 1. So, para yung 1x squared plus 4x squared. So, ilan yun? Ilan yun? Very good. Plus 5x squared. Okay? Okay. Very good. Next. How about your x? Meron ba iba may x? Wala. E di minus x. Just copy here. Copy lang to. Copy. Then, negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1. It's very good, negative 2. This is our f plus g of x. Okay? Next. How about ito? Dito, iba baka nagkamali sa inyo. Baka ginawa nyo dyan, x squared minus 3 minus. Di marami ka nagkamali. Marami nang nalito. Tandaan mo nang sabi ng given. Ang board exam matalino, ang sabi ng given, g minus f. Ito lang unahin ko. What will I write first? Is it f muna ba? Di ba? Kasi ang ginawa ng iba, x squared minus 3 minus. Tama ba yun? Hindi. Kasi bakit? According sa given, anong mo una isulat? Yung g. So you first write your g. 2x cube plus 4x squared minus x plus 1. And then tandaan mo ang rule, kapag minus, you always don't forget your parentheses. X squared minus 3. Then, ipasok sa loob. Ang nagawin, ipapasok sa loob. Ano mangyayari? Magiging 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 1 minus x squared plus 3. So, bakit naging plus 3? Kasi negative times negative, positive 3. Okay? Now, let's do it. Let's combine like terms. Since wala naman itong kaparehas, write it, 2x cubed. Combine 4x squared minus x squared. Anong sagot? Very good. Plus 3x squared. Then na lang negative x, wala siyang kaparehas. Write it. Copy it. Then 1 plus 3x plus 4. This is our subtraction. Sige, yung mga nakakuha ng dalawang tama, mag-send ulit na smile naman, smiley. Ayan, smiley naman. Yung nakakuha ng 2 over 2. Yan. Kung nakuha mo yan, handa ka ng mag-operations ng polynomials. Okay. But tandaan, sa board exam, sige, screenshot, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, nalito si Ma'am Janet. Na yan, di ba? Sabi sa inyo, matalino ng board exam. Kung hindi ka i-overcome, sayang. Okay, next one. Next is the composition of function. Marami nakatama. Next, how do we compose a function? Makinig sa akin. Kapag sa board exam, magkaiba to ha. Magkaiba yung f na ito of x. Bakit? Ito po kasi yung parang dot lang siya, it's multiplication. So, umatay mag-multiply here. Yun yung aking next part, multiplication. Ulitin ko ha, magkaiba itong dot lang sa itong circle. Kapag dot lang, it's your multiplication. You multiply these two. Multiply. Pero kapag yan ay bilog, circle, yan ay ano? Yan ay ano? Composition. Composition. Yan. Question, Eagles, question. How do we do composition? How do we do composition? So, for example, let's have an example. F of x is equal to, ano muna, basic muna, basic. 2x plus 4. And then our g of x is, let's say, x minus 3. Siyempre, we'll do it first ng basic. Yeah. Okay? So, number 1, let's do it ng f circle g of x. F circle G of X. Paano to? Another naman, ipapasok. Question, paano ito gagawin? Makinig sa akin. Ganito ang shortcut. Makinig sa akin. Si G, papasok kay F. Ang gagawin? Si G, papasok kay F. Yun yung ating gagawin dyan. Makinig sa akin. Kapag F, circle G, yung ikalawa dyan, papasok sa unahan. Yung yung G, ipapasok mo kay F. Question, ano ba yung G natin? What is our G? What is our G? What is our G? X minus 3. Okay, very good. So si G, na X minus 3, so ito, ipapasok mo sa kanya. Okay? So dito yung G, which is X minus 3, ipapasok mo ngayon kay F. What do we do? Lahat ng nakita mong X sa F, gagawin mong X minus 3. Ulitin ko, lahat na makita mong X doon sa F, ay gagawin mong X minus 3. So, ang given mo, ang F mo, di ba, ay 2X plus 4. Yun yung F mo eh. Ano ba sabi ko? Itong X minus 3, ipapasok mo sa loob. What do we do? Magiging copy yung 2. May nakita kang X, what do you do? X minus 3 plus 4. Okay? And then apply rules on algebra. Apply rules on algebra. Okay? This is distribution property. Pasok sa loob. 2 times X, 2X. 2 times negative 3, negative 6 plus 4. Then simplify. We have here 2X minus 2. Okay? But sometimes, makinig sa akin, minsan walang ganito choices. Minsan sa choices, ang sagot ganito. Nakasimplify 2 multiplied to X minus 1. Question, are they equal? Are they equal? Yes or no? Are they equal? Yes. Ulitin ko. Minsan sa choices, walang 2X minus 2. Minsan. Kasi minsan, ang pinapahanap pala, dalawang bagay. Pinapasimplify at pinapafactor out. So, minsan, the answer becomes 2 multiplied by X minus 1. But again, they are both naman po a correct answer. Okay? Ano naman siya, naka-factored out. Nilabas lang yung 2 sa labas. Yan, ha? So again, I am showing you different techniques on how to answer board exam questions. Na minsan, totoo yun, nag-solve ka, wala yung sagot mo sa choices, pero you need to observe the choices. Baka naman pala meron nakatago doon na kailangan mong gawin to answer that particular question. Okay? Okay, next. Number 2. Let's find naman po G, circle F of X. Ano naman yan? Dito, si F ipasok kay G. Si F ipasok kay G. Question, what is your F? What is your F? Your F is 2X plus 4. Tama? Gagawin mo, itong F na ito, papasok mo ngayon kay G. Yan. Yung F, papasok kay G. Bakit po negative 2? Ma'am Jamila, kasi po negative 6 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 4. Meron kang negative 6, dagdagan ng 4. Di ba sabi ng kanta? Sabi ng kanta ng grade 7, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. When two numbers of different sign, you subtract them. Ito daw. Kaya po nag-negative to yan. Kasi they have different signs. Pag different signs, subtract them. Ay, akala ko, nagkamali ako ng sagot. Ayan, thank you Ma'am John Liza sa paggabay. Ayan, yung bakit daw negative to yung sagot. Ayan. Kasi po, they have different signs. At ang rule, if two numbers of different signs and you add them, you first subtract naturally. First subtract naturally. 6 minus 4, 2. Then, copy the bigger sign. Ano mas malaki, 6 or 4? Mas malaki yung 6. So the answer is negative. So again ha, sa mga nalilito pa sa basic addition and subtraction, punta kayo sa aking refresher session sa MS Teams. Then you watch the refresher. Nandun po ang mga basic na math para ma-refresh kayo sa basic addition. Okay? So let's go back here. So again, si F, pasok kay G. What is your F? 2x plus 4. Pasok kay G. What is your G? X minus 2. So what do you do? Ito, ipasok mo sa loob. May nakita kang x. What do you do? Gawin mo yung 2x plus 4. Then, minus 3. Okay, what's the answer? So, 2x, 4 minus 3, plus 1. Very good. Okay? It's 2x plus 1. Sige, kopyahin. Kopyahin nyo muna or screenshot. 1, 2, 3. O, screenshot mga madam. Kulay blue. Oo, size 34. Oo. Naging online shopping. O, screenshot nyo, screenshot. Ito na. Bakit may sumasagot ng 2? Bawal na yan. Sige. For those who answered na ganito, hindi po siya equal dito. Makinig sa akin. Hindi siya equal dito. They are not equal. Makinig sa akin. They are not equal. There are some who answering to multiple x plus 1. Makinig sa akin. They are not equal. May mga nilito. May mga nawala na landasin. They are not equal. Makinig sa akin. They are not equal. Makinig sa akin. Bakit? Bakit? Dito, kaya ko nilabas yung 2 kasi common factor. Makinig sa akin. Tingnan sa akin. Kaya ko nilabas yung 2 kasi common factor siya. Both ay may 2. Nilabas mo siya. So, pag dito, nilabas mo yung 2, ano may iwan? X na lang. Dito, nilabas mo yung 2, ano may iwan? 1 na lang. Dito ba, meron ba silang common factor? May mga nagkamali, may mga nilito. Wait lang. I am seeing answers na ganito ang sagot. 2 quantity x plus 1. Malito. Bakit? Bawal kang mag-factor out dyan ng 2 kasi bakit? Hindi naman factorable dyan ng 2. Tama? Naglalabas lang tayo, we do the factoring out kapag meron silang common factor. Example. Ganito. Example. 4x plus 16. Mga ganyan. Meron bang common factor yan? Meron bang common factor ang 4 tsaka 16? Meron bang common? Meron. Ano number yon? 4. So yung 4 labas mo. Yung number 4, yung common, lalabas mo siya. Yan. What do we do? Yung inilabas mo, i-divide mo ngayon. So, lang. So dito, may common na 4, lalabas siya, di ba? Lalabas siya. Si 4 lalabas. Yan. Then what do you do? Yung inilabas mo, i-divide mo ngayon sa naiwan. Yung inilabas mo, i-divide mo ngayon sa naiwan. Yan. Okay? So, ano mangyayari dyan? So, mawawala to, it becomes now x. Plus, ilan yan? 6 divided by 4, plus 4. So, they are equal. Pero, observe na dito po, sa 2x plus 1, wala po diyang common factor. Hindi, ano daw? Sir Vince, hindi po ba distribution negative? Hindi po. Hindi po. Okay, hindi po distribute. Pwede ba, sir? 2x, 1 half. Wala pa kasi kami. Pwede naman. Actually, kung gagawin niyo siya, kasi pag pinakasilili niyo, wag na. Yung 1 half, ginawa niyo yung 1 half, wag na, be. Hindi naman gano'n sa board exam. Okay? Sige, try it for yourself. Kayo lang, try it. Try it. F of x is equal to x squared. Plus 2x minus 3. And g of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay? So let's find the first. Your g circle f of x. Try it. Go. Try it. 2 minutes. Sige po, I'll give you 2 minutes. Let's try it. Try for yourself. Tandaan mo sa board exam, wala doong photomat, wala doong calculator. You need to solve it on your own. Sige, go. Try it. Try it. Go. Okay na? Do you have now the answer? Mga sumasagot ng mga taong bayan? Okay, let's answer it. Tingnan natin kung tama ba kayo ng mga sinasagot. Okay, let's answer it. Okay? Hindi po nawalahan, ito lang ako. Ako ay nag-check ng mga comments ninyo kasi kayo ay mayroong ano dyan ginawa. Let's try it. Again, yung F ipasok kay G. What is your F? What is your F? X squared plus 2x minus 3. Pasok mo kay G. Pasok mo kay G. Ano ba si G? 2x plus 5. Okay? So what will happen here? 2, yung x gawin mo siyang x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 5. Then, what do you do? What do you do? Wait lang, Sir Hadain. O yung iyak daw kapag binili. Kasi, kasabay yan ng next lesson, yung special products. Kasabay ko yan sa next lesson, which is our special products. Yan, magkasabayin ko sila. Yan. Okay? Now, what do we do here? Ipapasok sa loob. Ano gawin mo? Kapag ayaw mo pasukin, ipasok sa loob. Ipapasok sa loob. Ayan. Okay? So, 2 times x squared. What is 2 times x squared? It's 2x squared. 2 times 2x, it's positive 4x minus 6. Sir, bakit naging 4x yun? O, ganito lang yung mga be. 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 2, it's 4. Then copy the x. Ha? Number to number, letter to letter. 2 times 2, 4. Number to number, 2 times 2, 4. Then copy x. 2 times negative 3, it's negative 6. Okay? Then, plus 5. Then, combine like terms. Walang ibang x squared. Just copy. Plus 4x. What is negative 6 plus 5? Very good. Negative 1. Ito na ang challenge ng mga taong bayan. How about if ang tanong ay F circle G? Wait lang pala. Wait lang. Ito muna. G circle G of x. Sige nga. Try mo nga ito. 1 minute. 1 minute muna. G circle G. Ano gawin mo? Siya ipapasok sa loob niya. Ginagawa ng mga taong bayan kapag walang dilig. Pinapasok sa loob. Ikaw mag-isa. Oo. Oo. Yung sarili niya, ipapasok mo sa kanya. Oo. Kapag ang mga taong bayan, itigang, ano gawin? G circle G. Hindi, joke lang po. Ayan. Sige nga, what is G circle G? Try it. 1 minute. Ipapasok sa sarili niya. Sarap. Yung mga LDR, ganun, di ba? Hindi po, joke lang. Patulugin mo na mga bata, ha? Makalat tayo. Ayan. Nagawin mo, si G, ipasok mo kay G. Ano lang yun? Yung 2x plus 5, ipasok mo lang din sa kanya. So, magiging 2x plus 5, ipasok mo lang din ulit sa kanya. Okay? This becomes, pasok sa loob, magiging 4x plus 10 plus 5. And this is 4x plus 15. Okay. Yan. Yan, very good mga taong bayan na nagkakamali. Ito na, ang challenge. What if, ang sabi, ay number 3 tayo, number 3. Let's do it naman, mga babies. F circle G of x. Yan na. F circle G of x. What do you do? Si G, ipasok mo kay F. What is your G? 2x plus 5. Ipasok mo yung kay F. Your F is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, lahat ng makita mong x, gawin mong 2x plus 5. Lahat ng makita mong x, gawin mong 2x plus 5. May ano yan? Magiging 2x plus 5 squared plus 2x plus 5 minus 2. Okay? So, ang nangyari sir? Ang nangyari po, dahan-dahan. Ito. So, lahat ng mga itong x, ginawa ko siyang 2x plus 5. Ito na yung challenge. Paano mag-square nito, yung 2x plus 5? Now, long method, ang ginagawa ng iba pag long method, ang ginagawa nila dyan ay FOIL method. Diba? Ang 2x plus 5 ay katumbas yan ng 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5. Tama ba? Plus times. So ito, yan ay pwede mong gawin ganito. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Pwede. Ano ginagamit dyan? FOIL method. Bakit may ano dyan? Walis. Sergio Hani. Oo, madumi ba? Makalat ba? So, ang ginagawa nila dyan ay FOIL method. Pero, meron tayong isang shortcut na gagawin. Okay? Now, unahin ko muna ituro sa inyo ang FOIL. Unahin ko muna ituro ang FOIL method. Paano ba ang FOIL method? For example, ito muna tayo, FOIL method. Okay? So, let's do it muna. Again ha, let me first teach yung FOIL method. Ano ibig sabihin ng F? Ibig sabihin ng F sa FOIL method? F means first. How about O? O means outer. Okay? How about I? It's inner. How about L? It's last. Okay? So ano ang gagawin? Very good. Alam ni Ma'am bibilin ang ating shortcut. Pero mamaya yan sa special products. Yung ating shortcut, mamaya siya ating special products. Ngayon, let me first teach yung ating FOIL method. Okay? So tama naman kayo, yung mga may alam na ng shortcut, yung square the first term, multiply the first by second, and 2, and square the last term, tama yan. Yun yung shortcut. Yan yung special products. Yan yung mamaya. Pero ngayon, sa mga, syempre, iba na hindi pa alam yung basic, let's first discuss the FOIL method. Okay? So, pag first, unahan. Yan. First, unahan. Unahan sa unahan. Multiply x times x. Sige nga. What is x times x? Is it 2x? X times x. Is it 2x? No. Ano yun? What is x times x? Very good. It's x squared. Okay? It's x squared. Next, outer. Outer, nasa labas. Outer, nasa labas. Outer, nasa labas. Ayun. Outer. Okay? It's outer. X times 8. X times 8. It's very good. Combine them. Just simply combine them. It's plus 8x. Next, inner. Inner, nasa loob. Inner. So, pag F, yung unahan. Ma'am daw. Sorry po. Walis ko na lang. Grabe ka sa akin. Maraming pa tayong ganyan. Kaya dapat kapag ako ang inyong lecturer na kayo tawag na ano yun? Earphone or naka-headphone. Kasi nga minsan makalap ang lecture para mabuhay kayo. Okay. Inner, nasa loob, it's 3x plus 3x. Then L, last. Last, nasa dulo. Okay? And that is, multiply, 3 times 8, it's 24. Plus 24. Then what do you do? Combine like terms. Combine like terms. So, ito ay like terms. Observe, like terms siya. So, what do you do? Combine them. Ano nangyari? Ba't nawala ako? Ayan. So, what do you do? Combine them. Okay? Now, meron ba ibang x squared? Wala. Just copy it. Okay, next. 8 times 3. 8x plus 3x. 8x plus 3x. Very good. Plus 11x. Plus, copy, 24. This is how we do the FOIL method. That's how we do the FOIL method. Okay? Ngayon, I want you to try ng ikaw lang. Try mo ng ikaw lang. Crab ang tawag sa inyo, Ma'am Erica. Anyway, mahalaga naman dyan is you know the basic. Yeah. Okay, now, for yourself, try for yourself, try. Ikaw lang. Siyempre, pagka-try, medyo ano kayo ha, level up ng konti. So, let's do it ng 2x squared plus 3. Then, x minus x minus 2. Yan. Sige po, let's try it. Go. 1 minute. Try it, mga babies. Try nyo to. Sige po, I'll give you 1 minute. Try it. By the way ha, kapag algebra yung topic ko, medyo mahaba talaga ako. So we will answer around 9 kapag ganitong topics. Alam niyo ba, sa dulo ng inyong sakripisyo, naniniwala ako it will all be worth it. Maniwala ka sa akin. Based on experience, marami sa amin nagsasabi, sir, thank you kasi hindi mo kami sinusukuhan hanggang puyatan. Minsan na naman to, ang sakripisyo mo ilang buwan lang naman. At maniwala ka sa akin, after ng ilang buwan mong sakripisyo ng gabi-gabing lecture, it will be forever ang kapalit niyan. It will be forever a license. Meron na kayong sagot, mga babies? Meron silang mga sagot. Nakakatuwa ang mga taong bayan. Let's see if you got the correct answer. Okay, let's try it. Coil. Ano yung una? M. 2x squared times x. Dito, lalabas ang law of exponents. So, kailangan mong alam kailangan mong napanood si Ma'am Ivy kasi doon sa Ma'am Ivy, binalikan niya ang fundamental concepts, law of exponents. Di ba? What is 2x squared times x? Sige nga. What is 2x squared times x? Very good. It's 2x raised to 3. It's 2x raised to 3. Iba kasi niya naman, sir, ano yung 2x squared din? Hindi. It's 2x power rule. Power rule. You add the exponents. So again, kung hindi mo pa, kaya nga mahalaga na before you proceed with the next one, kaya nga di ba sabi, halimbawa sa hagdan, hindi na agad-agad tumunto ng step number 3 nang hindi mo natutunan ng step number 1. So sa math, parang ganoon din. Kailangan mo lang panoorin yung fundamental concepts ng IB, then you can master yung mga susunod pa with Sir Vince. You watch yung fundamental concepts with IB, nandun yung sa ating MS Teams kasi nandoon, binalikan ang kanyang laws of exponents. Next, outer. Outer. Okay? So that is, number to number, negative 4x squared. So bakit? 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Tama? Negative 4. Tapos x squared, just copy it. Then, this one. Ilan yan? Combine them. Plus 3x. Then, last, 3 times negative 2, it's negative 6. Question, meron bang like terms? Meron bang like terms? Meron, wala? Meron, wala? Wala. Anong sagot? Ito ang sagot. Okay? Yun ang sagot. Pag walang like terms, yun ang sagot. Pag may like terms, you combine it. So, kung napansin mo, I start with like terms, with similar terms, with addition, with combination of similar terms, then we are going through complex part. So, kung hindi mo master ang basic part, well, mahirapan ka hanggang dulo. Kasi hindi yung pundasyon, hindi mo nakuha. So, kailangan, before, again, going back bukas sa ating klase, make sure na panood mo. Yes. Kasi ito, Sir ba o ma'am? Sir Rosendo? For our schedule po, sa akin, ang akin pong schedule lagi ay Monday to Wednesday live lecture. So, I will be with you until June 7. So, kapag June 7, ang ating discussion, ang ating calendar ay Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ay live class. Ganito, live class, 7 to 9 p.m. 7 to 9 live class tayo. Then, Thursday is a quiz day. Ibig sabihin, yung lesson ko ng Monday to Wednesday, mag-quiz kayo doon ng Thursday. So, walang klase ng Thursday. Then, Friday is Russia Day. Pag sinabing Russia Day, yung kinwiz mo, we will answer with solution. So yung ating calendar for the week until June 7. Okay? Okay. Now, ito na. Sir, nakalimutan mo yung kaninang ginagawa. Paano po, sir, yung yung kanina yung naiwan natin? Yan. Paano po sa gawin yung 2x plus 5 at saka 2x plus 5? Dalawang paraan. Una, pwede mong gawin dyan ang FOIL method. Pwede mong gawin ang FOIL method. Okay? So first, let's do the FOIL method. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Okay? Let's first do it ng FOIL. Again ha, pwede ang FOIL. Paano ang FOIL? F muna. 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. X times x. X times x, x squared. Again, number to number, letter to letter. Number to number, letter to letter. 2 times 2, 4. X times x, x squared. Next, O. O, O, outer. Outer. Labas. 2x times 5. 2 times 5. 2 times 5. 10. Tama? 10. Then copy x. Copy x. Next, inner. Inner. 5 times 2. 10. Copy x. Then, last. Last, 5 times 5. 25. Meron bang like terms? Meron bang like terms? May like terms mga bibis? Mayroon tayong like terms. Okay? Then, what's the answer? It's 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Okay? Ano pong 2x po yata, sir? Saan? May mali ba akong ginawa? Tama, 4x squared kasi 2 times 2. Baka nalito lang ito si ma'am Kasi po, it's 2 times 2. Kaya siya naging 4x squared. Ano bang given? Di ba x plus 5? Tama. Bakit mo nagkasagot ng plus 32? Saan to galing? Ano nangyayari mga taong bayan? Saan galing tong 4x squared plus 24x plus... Ay, wait. Tama naman. Ano nangyayari? Sagot na. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Bakit iba yung lumalabas sa inyo sa akin? Sagot na pala tong mayroong 32. Oo. Nagtagal to ako bigla. Sagot na pala to. Sabi ko, bakit kayo may 32 agad sa ating chat box? Ano pa lang tayo, 25. Yun pala, sagot na kayo. Nilito ako bigla. Sabi ko, ako ba nagkakamali? Oo, ako ba? Yun pala, sorry. Oo, di ba? Nakakalituhan na tayo. Anyway, so itong lumabas ito, ito pa lang siya. So, ayan, ito pa lang siya. So, dito, magiging ganito yan. Magiging 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Okay? Nalito ko, bakit may 32 lumalabas sa sa inyong mga chat box? Wala pa naman tayo doon. Anyway, kayo na na-excite. Una pa lang kayo sa akin. Sabi ko, ano nangyari? Ako ba nagkamali? O ano? Oo. Pasensya na kayo. Anyway, proceeding. Multiply it. Ito yung kanina, naiwan natin. 2 times 2 plus 4x plus 10 minus 3. Yan. Okay? Then, we combine like terms. Yan na, ha? We combine like terms. Meron ba ibang may 4x squared? Wala. So, copy 4x squared. Okay, then combine 20x plus 4x. Yan ay, very good, plus 24x. Then last, combine 25 plus 10. It's ilan? Oh, baka ano nangyari? Tama, di ba? 4x plus 10. 25 plus 10, it's 35 minus 3. 32 plus 32. And that is our answer. Okay? Yeah. Ayan ang shortcut. Oh, ito na po yung shortcut. Paano daw yung shortcut ng ganito? How do we do the shortcut of this one? Yung 2x plus 5 squared. Yan. Okay? So, we will now having our special products. Okay? Picture niyo to kasi I will be teaching you this one. Sige, picture niyo muna mga babies. Yan. Nag-ano kayo? Nag-simplify pa. Sige, very good. Sino to? Ma'am Jamila. Ayan, nag-ano pa sila? Tawag doon? Factoring by common factor. Very good. Pero kasi, mamaya na yan mga babies, ha? Pero tama naman yan. Pero kasi iba dito medyo complicated. Wala pa tayo doon. Yung factoring by trial and error. Meron din shortcut actually. Yes, pwede yan simplify pa. Common factor is 4. So, yan ilalabas yung 4. Magiging 4. Magiging x squared plus 24 divided by 4. It's 6x plus 8. So, tapos, meron pa rin, yan. Yes, pwede po. Pwede. Pwede yan. Actually, pwede yan. Pero kasi ito, yung x squared plus 6x, yung simplification nito, gagawin ko na maya, ha? Meron kasi shortcut. I'll teach you shortcut using calculator. Okay? Now, paano mag-special products? Ito na. Pakipicturean na. Ito yung mga shortcut. How do we do the special products? Okay? So, okay na? Did you take a screenshot? Don't worry. Meron naman kayong handout. Pero sa handout kasi wala siyang solution. I mean, wala siyang doon. Kaya makinig ka sa akin, magsulat ka para makuha mo yung ating shortcut. Okay. So, okay na to? So, let's do the special products. Okay. Game. So, let's go back yung kanina. 2x plus 5 squared. Okay? How do we do it? Makinig sa akin. Ang shortcut, square, multiply, square. Ganun kabilis. Square, multiply, square. Square, multiply, square. What do you do? Square the first term. Square the first term. Square mo to. Ano ang square ng 2x? That is 4x squared. Sir, ano nangyari? Multiply. Square. So the first term, square mo siya. Magiging ito yan. Yung 2x, square mo. Yan. Then applying the root on exponents, itong 2, pasok sa loob. Magiging Magiging 4x squared. Square. Sunod, multiply. Multiply what? Everything. Ganito yun. 2 times 5 times 2. 2 times 5 times 2. Ilan? 2 times 5? 10 times 2. 20 plus 20x. Okay? Then, square. Square the last term. Square the last term. Ito magiging 2x times 5 times 2. 20x. Next, square the last term. That becomes 5 squared. And that is plus 25. Okay? So, walang foil-foil. Special products. Kapag ang given ay square ng isang binomial, so by the way, ito ay, ang tawag dito ay square of a binomial. Square of a binomial. Ito naman ay sum and difference. Sum and difference of binomial. Ito naman ay cube of a binomial. Cube of a binomial. Okay? Yan. So, kapag ang given ay square ng binomial, may binomial in square mo, anong ating shortcut? Square, multiply, square. Huwag ka na mag-foil. Square, multiply, square. Square, multiply, square. Isa pa. Let's have negative 3x minus 4 squared. Sige, wala mo ng negative. Kasi baka mahirapan ka agad. Sir, mahirap naman. Hindi, wala mo ng negative. 3x minus 4 muna. Sige. 3x minus 4 squared. Ano ating rule? Ating rule, square, multiply, and square. It's our shortcut. Square, multiply, square. What do you do first? Square the first term. Square the first term. 3x squared. Ang muli ng iba, ganito nila, sir, 3x squared. Mali. Kasi you need to square 3 din. Makinig sa akin. Ang iba ganito dyan, sir, 3x squared. Mali. Kasi kailangan sa bilang rule, law of exponents, you need to distribute the square. So ano ang ating sagot? 9x squared. Square the first term. Square the first term. Multiply everything. Multiply everything. 3 times 4 times 2. 3 times 4 times 2. Ilan yon? 3 times 4. 12 times 2. 24. May x tayo. Question, what will be our sign? What will be our sign? Negative. Makinig sa akin. Makinig sa akin. Makinig sa akin. Bakit negative? 3 times negative 4. Negative 24. Negative 12 times 2. Negative 24. Ito kasi, 2 times 5. 10 times 2. 20x. 5 squared, 25. Okay, next. Next, square the last term. Square the last term. Dito marami nagkamali. Plus or minus 16? It's plus 16. Makinig sa akin. What is negative 4 squared? It becomes negative 4 times negative 4. And what is negative times negative? What is negative times negative? It is positive. Ang sagot ay positive 16. Ito ang ating sagot. Okay? Ito ang ating sagot. Okay? Last one. Try mo, ikaw lang. Try. Kailangan ikaw lang. Sige, ikaw lang. Let's have negative 5x plus 1 squared. Try. Negative 5x plus 1 squared. Try. Okay, so maraming tumatama. Very good. Again, square, multiply, square. What do we do first? Square. Negative 5 squared. That is positive 25 x squared. Tandaan mo lagi, when you do squaring, lagi yung positive. Ano man ang sign, kapag in-square mo siya, it becomes positive. Bakit? Positive times positive. Positive. Negative times negative. Positive. Next, multiply everything. Negative 5 times 1. Negative 5 times 2. Negative 10, then copy x. Then square the last term. Plus 1. And this is our answer. Okay? Yeah. Di ba maraming tumatama? Okay, last one. Last one. Try it. Last one. Let's have with multivariable. Gawa tayo ng multivariable. Let's have 4x squared minus 7x squared. Okay? Let's try it with a challenge ng kaunti. Square, multiply, square. So ito ay combination. May kasama na yung may kasama na yung kaunting law of exponents. Sir Hadain, hindi po. Itong ating shortcut is for the square of a binomial only. Yung cube, iba yung kanyang technique. Pero, all of this can be used by Pascal's triangle. Yung may 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Itong ating shortcut is only applicable for square. Pero kung cube yan, may iba tayong gagawin dyan. Oh, so Ma'am Justine Christian, ay active individual. Okay, let's try it. Square. 4x squared, squared. 4x squared, squared. Ano sagot? Very good. 16x raised to 4. Ano yan? Yan yung power rule. Tama, di ba? Sige, let's sa gilid. Sa gilid, recall tayo. O, recall ng love exponent. 4x squared, squared. Di ba? Pasok, pasok. Magiging 4 squared. Tapos, x raised to 4. Bakit? Multiply. You multiply the exponent. Magiging 16x raised to 4. Next, multiply everything. Number muna, number. Number muna. 4 times 7. 4 times negative 7, negative 28 times 2, negative 56. Next, it's x cubed. Bakit? It's x squared times x. It's x cubed. Okay? Plus, square the last term, 49x squared. This is our answer. Kaya mga taong bayan? Yeah. Okay. Next. So we're done with the first two. Yung unang dalawa, yung plus minus, same lang naman sila. Same lang yan. Next. How about kapag ang lumabas sa board exam ay sa, okay na ba to? Sige, pakipicturean. Pakipicturean. Okay na? Napicturean niyo na ba? Screenshot. Screenshot in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Next one. How about ang given ay sum and difference? Halimbawa, x plus 3, x minus 3. Makinig. Common error ng maraming taong bayan. Common error, kapag nilagyan nila x plus 3 squared, ang common error, ginagawa nila itong x squared plus 9. Tama ba yun? Is this correct? Is this correct? No. This is a common error ng mga taong bayan. Yan ay common error. Mali yan. Ang ginawa, sir, ipasok sa loob. Mali. Kasi yan ay square, multiply square. Pag nakita mo to, mali yung ano ha, pasok sa loob. Ang gawin dyan, square, multiply square. Now, kapag naman ganito ang given, sum and difference, ano una mong kailangan makita? Dapat same ang first term, same ang second term. Parang same na may x, same na may 3. Tapos dapat plus minus. Okay? Dapat magkaiba ng sign. Dapat they have opposite signs. Ano ang shortcut? Square minus square. Ano shortcut? Square minus square. Yan natin shortcut. Square minus square. Ganun kabilis. Square minus square. X square, it's x squared. Minus 3 squared, 9. Ganun kabilis. Ganun kabilis. Okay? Ganun kabilis. Di ba? Hindi lang pala ang math. Hindi lang ang math. Huwag kayong kabahan sa math. Isa pa. Isa pa. Let's have 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Paano po nakuha yung 56x cube? Ay, nabura ko na yung kanina. I forgot the given. Sorry. Nabura ko na, Sir Rosendo. Saan mo na yung 56 doon? Minultiply. 4 times 7 times 2. Kasi multiply everything. So, 4 times 7 ay 28 times 2, 56. Tapos yung x cube, x squared times x. Yun talagang Sir Rosendo. Sabi ko sa inyo, lahat kayo magtanong lang dyan. Walang iwan sa atin. Again, ito yung Sir Rosendo, 56. Ano daw galing yun? Multiply everything. So, yun ay 4 times 7 times 2. 4 times 7 is 28 times 2, 56. Tapos yung x cube, nakuha siya sa x squared times x. Kaya siya x cube. Yan. Thank you. Nakakatuwa. May mga tumutulong sa mga taong bayan. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Justine Christian. Ayan. May mga sumasagot sa inyo. And nakakatuwa sa mga math majors. We are helping each other. So, the answer here, square minus square. Square mo yung 2x. Very good. 4x squared. Minus 1. Ganun kabilis. Okay? Ganun kabilis. 4x squared minus 1. Next. Next. Let's have 3x minus 2y, 3x plus 2y. What's the answer? Square minus square. Square minus square. Ano sagot dyan? Mabilis lang. It's 9x squared minus 4y squared. Ganun kabilis. Ganun kabilis. Okay? Last one. Last one. Let's have x squared y plus 2. X squared y minus 2. Yeah. You're welcome, Sir Rosendo. We are here to help each other. Ayan. Siyempre, walang may iwan sa mga taong bayan. Sige nga, let's try yung iba yung dulo. What's the answer here? Square minus square. Very good. Ano sagot dito? It's x raised to 4, y squared minus 4. Bakit? Bakit? Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, square muna. Square mo tong x squared y squared. So, what do you do here? Law of exponent. Law of exponent. X squared y squared. Law of exponent. Sa loob, this becomes x4 y squared. So, ito ay application ng iba't ibang lesson from the beginning, from the fundamental concepts. Yung cube, yung medyo ma-proseso ng kaunti. Kasi, tandaan mo, dapat alam mo yung yung 1331. Again, okay na ba tayo? By the way, so far, are you learning? Are you learning ba so far? Sumagot ng, ng gusto ko ng lemon? Kung kayo ay nagle-learn so far? Are you learning? Are you learning? Gusto ko ng lemon. Ang sagot. Okay, yan. Gusto ko ng lemon naman daw, ang mga taong bayan. Okay. The last one is, how about cube? How about ang given ay cube? Tandaan mo lang, it's 1331. Ano yun? It's 1331. Okay? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay na ba? Sige, picture nyo muna. Screenshot muna. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Gusto ko ng lemon. Okay, next. Okay, so let's have 2x. Puro ko 2x, no? Puro ko 2x ang given ko. Let's have, sige, 5x minus 3 raised to cube. Okay? So ito, ina-apply ito actually ng, yes, Pascal's triangle. So dito, actually, aking rule lang dyan, ganito. Ang ginagawa ko, yung first term pababa, second term pataas. Dami lang to ha. First term pababa, second term pataas. So what do I do? Ginagawa ko yung first term pataas. Sorry. Yung first term, tong A, tingnan mo yung A, pababa. So A cube, ano nangyari? Iba-iba. Nagkabaliktad. Dapat muna A squared muna. Kabaliktad to sa formula. Anyway, in application, nandala naman siya. Yung unang term, ang ating shortcut dyan, itong 5x, pababa. So, magiging ganito yan. 5x cube. Plus mo na plus. Yan, plus mo na para bilis tayo plus. Then, 5x squared. Tapos, 5x raised to 1. Tapos, 5x raised to 0. Or wala ng 5x. Yan yung nagawa ko. Tapos, pabalik naman tayo. Pabalik. Yung 3, ganun din. Yung 3, ganun din, pataas. Magiging ganito siya. 3 cube, 3 squared, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 0. So, ano pansin nyo? Kung napansin nyo, ang ginawa natin, yung first term ay pababa, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yung second term ay pataas, 0, 1, 2, 3. Or, ulitin ko, ang ating shortcut ay ganito. Ulitin ko. Pwede mo tanggawin ha. So again, 5x plus 3 cube. So this becomes 5x cube. This becomes 5x squared. This becomes 5x. Tapos wala na. Kasi nga i-reduce to 0. So wala na siya. Wala ng 5x. Then, paakyat. Magiging 3 cube. Kasi nga yan ay cube. Magiging 3 squared. Magiging 3. Tapos wala na. Okay? Kasi nga yan ay magiging 3 to 0. Tapos, tandaan mo lamang ang ating nahiwagang number. Sa Pascals, so we will have that on siguro week number 7. Kapag 3, ito yung ating Pascal, sa mga alam na, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Ito ang gamit. Ito ang mahiwagang number. It's 1, 3, 3, 1. Or, simply, sa gitna, dalawang 3. Yung mga yun. Then, you combine them. You just simply combine them. Since plus to, lahat yan ay plus. Kasi plus siya. So what do we do here? Law of exponent. Law of exponent. Medyo matrabaho ang cube. Yun yung medyo matrabaho. Si cube. Ito ay ano? 5 cube, pasok mo sa loob. Magiging 5 times 5 times 5. 125x cube. Plus. Ilan to? 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 5 squared. Again ha? 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, yan ay 9. Sige, pwede ang pakita ko sa inyo para hindi kayo malito. Yan. Ito ay 5 cube x cube. Ito mangyayari, magiging 9 times 25x squared. Ito yung 3 times 3, 9. Then dito, ito magiging ano? 3 squared. Ito magiging 3 times 9 times 5x. Baliktad, sorry. 3 times 5x times 9. Then ito ay magiging 3 cube, 3 cube. Let's simplify natin. Let's simplify. Magiging 125x cube plus 9 times 25. Ilan yun? 9 multiplied by 25. Ilan? Nawala. Hindi po ako nawala. Dito lang ako. Ilan? 9 times 5. Very good. It's 225. Plus 225x squared. Plus 9 times 3 and 7 times 5. 27. It's 135. X plus 27. Okay? So, medyo matrabaho ang cube. Siya yung pinakamatrabaho sa lahat. Okay? Yung cube. Sige, yung copy muna. Sige, yung copy. Tapos, we'll do it once more. Copy, then we'll do it ang isa pa. Nawala. Nawala ba? Hindi. Ito pa rin ako. Okay? Ang isa pa. Meron siya kasi Sir CJ. Square the second term times the first term times 3. Pwede to, kaso kasi, minsan sa board exam, may mga given na sobrang lalaking, bawa, multivariable. Pero thank you, Sir CJ. Yan, tama po ito. Cube the first term, square the first term times 3. Tama naman po. Again, sabi ko sa inyo, we all have different ways. Last one. Sige, last one. Try it. Okay na to? Screenshot. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Last one. Last example tayo. Let's have 3x minus 2 cube. Again, what do we do here? What do we do here? Okay, yung first term pababa, pababa. Magiging na yan, 3x cube, magiging 3x squared, magiging 3x, tapos mawawala na siya. Okay? Mawala na siya. Then, pabalik naman tayo. We have here negative 2 cube. We have here negative 2 squared. We have here negative 2, and wala na. Okay? Then, you simplify. Okay, paano to? Pasok sa loob. magiging 3 cube x cube. Ito magiging 3 squared x squared times negative 2. Yan. So, pwede mong gawin yan. Ito ay magiging 3x times, ilan to? 4. Tama? Then ito ay magiging negative 8. Tama ba? Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, negative 8. Then just simply combine them. 3 cube. That is 27x cube. Next, anong 3 squared? 3 squared ay 9. Tama? So 9 times negative 2, negative 18x squared. Next, 3 times 4. That is plus 12x minus 8. So, tama ba akong ginagawa sa buhay? Wait lang, let me double check it. X cube. Wait. May kulang. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo may kulang? Wait. May kulang tayo mga be. Yung ating 3 sa gitna. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo may kulang eh. Parang may kulang. Wala tayong 3. Nawala yung ating dalawang 3 sa gitna. So, may 3 dyan, may 3 dyan. Yun, di ba? We forgot those 3. Yan, apo. Kaya kulang tayo. Meron pa dapat dito ang times 3. Kasi sabi ko parang meron pa dapat dyang times 2. Yan. Okay. So again, let's do it. Magiging ano yan, 27x cube. Then 3 times 9, it's 27 times negative 2, negative 54x squared. Then 3 times 3, it's 9 times 4, 36x minus 8. Ayan. Okay? Apo, yun po yung dapat ayos, Ma'am Justine. Actually, may andito, nagkapalit to. Dapat 3a squared muna bago ang b. Apo. Sige, ayusin ko na lang yung aking nasa PowerPoint. Yes, yan. Very good. I-heart ko to. Kay Ma'am Justine Christian. Tama yan, tama. Actually, pwede naman din ito. Kaso kasi mas nauna lang yung ating 3a squared. Diba? That's why I love math major kasi we are helping each other. Yan. Okay, last part. Ito ay madali lang to. Actually, dito tinuturo ng solving. Kasi, tinuturo ko to ng Caltech. Caltech to. Maniwala ka sa akin. Yung factoring, kaya yan mag-Caltech. Okay? Caltech yan. Makinig sa akin. Paano mag-Caltech using factoring? Halimbawa, x squared squared plus 8x plus 6. Yan. Paano mag-factoring nito? So ito kasi ay papasok factoring, yung factoring natin. So this should be our last topic tonight. And alam mo ba, you can master factoring in just 2 minutes. Kasi may calcu naman. Makinig sa akin, yes, kaya po i-calcu. Sir, paano? Ilabas ng calcu. Ilabas ng mga calculator. Okay, we will find the factors of this one using calculator. Kaya ba? Kayang-kaya. Okay, let's do it. Labas ng calcu. Ay, ano nangyari? Yan, okay? Labas ng calcu mga bibis. Wait lang, let me try it first. Ano ba? Okay na? Labas na mga calcu? Okay, let's do it. Paano mag-factoring using your calculator? Ganda lang yun. Makinig, tingin sa screen. Meron tayong kilag para meron kayong guide. Una gagawin, punta sa mode. By the way, tip number 1. Before you input everything sa calcu, gawin nyo muna mag-clear. Paano mag-clear? To clear your setup, mode, shift 9, then clear all, then equals. This is to clear all. Bakit? Tandaan mo, ang iyong calculator ay mayroon niyang memory. Ang iyong calcu ay mayroon niyang memory. Okay? Mayroon niyang memory. Ay, baliktad pala. Dapat, sorry, di ba mali aking given? Dapat pala ito ay, sorry. Ito dapat ay, plus 6x plus 8. Sorry. Yung given dapat natin ay plus 6x plus 8. Sorry. X squared plus 6x. Nalabit ko yun, no? Yung mga given. Ayan, dapat yung given natin. Okay? So, what do we do here? Sa calculator. Maganda lang yon. So, we are done clearing our calcu. By the way, bakit kailangan mag-clear? Kasi, ang iyong calcu nag-receive ng information. Meron siyang memory. Kapag hindi ka nag-clear after another calculation, possibly, baka magamit niya other values. So, ang tip ko sa inyo, mag-clear muna ng values. Kapag kayo ay nag-resolve, laging mag-clear ng value. Okay? Game na. How do we do factoring? Game. Mode 5. Mode. Kung wala kang 5, pakihanap yung EQM. Sige, sabay-sabay tayo. Mode. Pindot ng mode. Pakihanap ang EQM. Sa ibang calcu, 4 ata. Sa ibang calcu, 5. EQM. Then, sa akin ay 5, EQM. Then, pakikuha ang x squared. That is in number 3, x squared. Puting ko, isa pa tayo. Isa pa. Okay? So, again, mode, then pakihanap ang EQN. Pakihanap ang EQN. Number 5. Then, punta doon sa may squared. That is number 3. Okay? That is number 3. Yan. Nasaan naman po? Nasa kilag yung ating ginagawa. Nasa kilag. Okay? Yan. Next is yung sa ABC dito, i-input mo yung ating numerical coefficient. You input our numerical coefficient. Ano maglalabas dyan? Magiging 1. Kasi x squared, may 1 doon. Then you input 6. Tapos equal. Kung sa keyboard ay enter, sa calcu equals. Kung sa keyboard ay enter, sa calcu equals. Yan. And then, 8. Tapos equals. Tapos, isa pang equals. Lalabas, x sub 1, negative 2. X sub 2, negative 4. Tingin ko, isa pa. Sige pa, isa pa. Okay lang yan. Isa pa. Paano mag-factoring using calculator? Again, if you master factoring techniques, dalawang paraan. Kung hindi mo master ang factoring, you need to master it. But kung gusto mo, bakit po yung mode po menu? Sa ibaba, menu. Basta kung menu sa inyo, edi menu yung pakipindot. Tapos, you can use EQM. So mode, then EQM. Then, pakihanap yung my squared. Then, for each box here sa ABC, you input the numerical coefficient. So, input 1 equals, to enter number is equals, 6 equals, tapos 8 equals. So, meron ka ng 1, 6, and 8. Opo, pwede sa board, sa major shift, pwede ang calculator. Pwede po. Kaya nga, I am teaching you shortcuts. Okay? Then, to find the roots, ang lalabas sa calcu ay roots. Makinig sa akin. Ang lalabas sa calcu ay roots. Ang roots diyan ay negative 2, negative 4. Ang lalabas sa calcu ay roots. Makinig sa akin. Ang lalabas sa calcu ay roots. Negative 2, negative 4. Sa calcu nyo, ang lalabas niya ay roots. So, kung ang tanong sa board exam, what are the roots? Ang sagot, negative 2, negative 4. Anong tawag sa kanya? Roots. Sometimes it's called as zeros. They are the roots, they are the zeros of the function. Pero kung ano ang factor, makinig sa akin, masudali yun. Bakit? What do you do? Just simply change the sign. Just simply change the sign. Ano mangyayari doon? Magiging x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay? Yan. Na, kung di mo ito master, edi mag-ano ka, mano-mano, mag-isip ng dalawang numero na kapag pinag-times ay 8, pinag-plus ay 6. Yun yung ating gagawin. Ulitin ko, mag-isip ng dalawang numero na kapag pinag-times ay 8, pinag-times ay 8, pag pinag-plus ay 6. Pag pinag-plus ay 6. That is 2 and 4. Tama? Pag pinag-times mo yun, it's 8. Pag pinag-plus mo yun, it's 6. Yan. So, ano man ang gamit mo dyan, kung nasaan ka man dyan, makukuha mo to. Using your calculator. Okay? Sige. Sige, isa pa. Hindi, isa pa. I got you. Wait lang. Kung tayong given. Ibigyan ko kayo ng mga pangmalakasan na mahirap siyang imano-mano. Para maniwala kayo sa akin na mas magandang may calculator tayo sa board exam. Okay? Let's have another one. Let's have x squared plus x minus 30. X squared plus x minus 30. Let's find its factors. Let's find its factors. Okay? So, ito tayo. Dito tayo. Okay, game. Let's find its factors. Game. Ating kilag. Game. Ano unahin natin? Mode EQN. Mode EQN. Then, pakihanap yung may squared. Then, doon, paki-enter yung ating numerical coefficients. We have here 1 equals, 1 equals, negative 30 equals. Okay? Ang nalabas? Ang nalabas sa calcu. Nalabas ang roots natin ay 5, negative 6. Ang nalabas sa calcu, 5, negative 6. It's 5, negative 6. That is your roots. That are the roots. So our roots are what? 5, negative 6. Pag sinabi natin ng factor, edi change the sign. Makinig sa akin, ano nga gawin? Change the sign. Ito ay magiging x minus 5, x plus 6. Shortcut. Walang utak-utak, calcu lang, ganun kabilis. Okay? Ganun kabilis. It's x plus 6, x minus 5. What if ganito ang given? Kapag siyempre ganito, mukhang kaya mong mano-mano yan, di ba? Pero what if ganito naman ang given? Let's try this one. 6x squared. Okay na ba ito? Burahin ko na mga babies. Sige, screenshot. Let's have last example. Screenshot. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's have last two examples. Then we'll end na. Meron pa rin tayong 240. Oh, may mga ayaw umalis. Gusto matuto pa. Yeah. I hope you're learning something. Dito tayo. Let's have another example. Ito. What if ang tanong sa board exam, factor 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. Kaya ba? Mano-mano bilisan? Kaya ba? Kaya naman. Kaya naman. Pero matagal. Tama? Matagal. Kasi bakit? Mano-mano, di ba? Ano gawin mo dyan? Trial and error. Di ba? Sabihin mo dyan, kung ikaw ay math major, kung alam mo yung gagawin, what do you do here? It's you do trial and error. Yung TAE method. Isa-isa ang tagal. E tandaan mo ang board exam, it's only limited time. So what do I do? What do you do? What can you do? Calculator. Calculator is a great help. Let's use it. Let's try it using your calculator. Game. Game tayo. Mode 1 tayo. Yeah. Game. Yeah. Okay, game. Again, mode. then 5, o EQN. Then, click mo yung x squared. Tapos, i-insert mo lang ang iyong mga numerical coefficients. We have here 6, we have here 7, and we have here -3. Kaso 570 ES plus. Sige, type ko sa chat box. Kaso FX 570 ES. Yan, or ES plus. Or kaso FX 570 ES plus. Nasa chat box na po, Sir Hadain. Okay? Game. O, yung iba, pwede naman yan. Yung ginagawa ng mga taong bayan, naman-naman. Pero tayo, kung di mo master, edi dito tayo, kung di mo siya master, equals. Lalabas, what are the roots? 1/3, -3/2. 1/3, -3/2. Lalabas sa calcu? It's 1/3, -3/2. So, ang ating roots, nakinig sa akin, ang ating roots or zeros ay 1/3, -3/2. Okay? Sir, ang kailangan po factor. Paano gagawin namin? Mas madali lang yon. Madali lang po. Di ganito na gawin mo. Gawin mo lang yan, change the sign. X minus 1/3 and x plus 3/2. Okay. Sir, paano yan? May fraction. Madali lang yan. Kakabahan. Huwag kang kabahan. Gawin mo lang to. Itong 3 angat mo doon. Itong 2 angat mo doon. Ganun lang kabilis. Ano mangyayari? Magiging 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3. And you now have your factors. It's 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Simple as that. Okay? And last tayo, ikaw lang, try mo lang, pwede kang magmano-mano, pwede kang mag-calcu. Ikaw ang bahala kung saan mas 3. Sige. Let's have, try no, ikaw lang. Ikaw ang bahala, pwede kang mag-calcu, pwede kang magmano-mano. Pero mas okay ako sa kapag-lalaki, calcu. 21x squared plus 2x minus 8. Here we go. 7x minus 21x squared plus 2x minus 8. Maybe our last example. Tapos, we'll end na. Anong cute? Ginawa mo namang yung calculator mo. Aesthetic. Pwede naman sa addition. Alam ko pwede to. Yan. Pwede yan. Sige po. Get its factors. Okay? So, let's find it. Again, let's clear the keylog. Game. Keylog. Mga gawin, una, mode EQN. Mode EQN. Then, you may square, that's number 3. Then you input the coefficients, that is 21, equals, that is 2, equals, -8, equals. Again, nasama din nakasunod sa mga medyo nagbilisan, nasa taas po yung ating keylog. Pwede mo siyang i-check yung ating keylog, nandiyan yung ating gagawin sa keylog. Then after, you press equals. Lalabas, 4/7. That's 4/7 and -2/3. Again, lalabas, 4/7, -2/3. Isa pa na. Edi isa pa. Sige, isa pa. One more. Isa pa. Dahan-dahan. Ano una gawin? Mode, then 5. Tapos, kung yung squared, then input your coefficients. We have here 21, we have here 2, and we have here -8. Okay, again, so to input, you put equals. Then, equals tayo. lalabas ang roots, ang zeros, 4/7, negative 2/3. 4/7. Sige, i-picturean nyo muna, picturean. Yung ating kilad, picture. Ang lalabas ay 4/7 and negative 2/3. Okay, ang lalabas, ang ating roots ay negative 4/7 and 2/3. That is our roots. Now, to get the factor, change the sign. Magiging x plus 4/7 and x minus 2/3. Then, angat mo lang doon. Angat mo lang ito sa taas. Angat mo lang doon. Okay? Magiging ano yan? 7x plus 4. Then, 3x minus 2. Okay? And we are done with our today's discussion. Okay. So, sakto, di ba 9 o'clock? Okay? So, okay na ba? I hope you learned something today, especially sa mga shortcuts. Nahihirapan ka kasi alam ko siguro some of you or most of us finds difficulty in factoring. Pero ang kagandahan ng major shift, meron tayong calcu, meron tayong 570 ES plus na katuwang na tutulong sa atin mag-factoring. So hindi ka kabayaan ng calcu mo. Kung nahirapan ka mag-factoring ng ano-ano, you need to master that. Pero kung may calcu ka, di easy. Easy. Okay? So, okay na ba? Did you learn something today? Yeah. If you learned something new tonight, if you learned something today, send a heart reaction para malaman kung meron kang natutunan ngayong gabing ito. Yeah. So, okay na ba? Yeah. So, mukhang okay naman mga taong bayan. Ayan, send kayo ng mga heart. So, we will continue tomorrow for our last part. So, bukas, we will discuss ito, quadratic equations. Yung yan, yung may formula. Pero again, mayroon yung calc-tech. May calc-tech yan, huwag kayong kabahan. Huwag kayong kabahan. Tapos, we will discuss rational. Dali lang din yan, kaya i-calc-tech yan. Inverse and variations. So, yung ating topic bukas. Yan yung last part ng ating college algebra. Okay? So, muli, maraming salamat, Eagles, sa hindi bumitaw for 2 hours. Meron tayo ngayon 224 attendees. Opo, bawal po ang 991 ES. Bawal yan. Pero, ang 570 po has almost the same function as 991. So, huwag yung kabahan. Sorry, meron tayong root dito. Oh, hello, Sir Melchor. At ang kanyang apelido. So, muli, maraming salamat, math majors. Maraming salamat, Eagles, mga babies. And see you again tomorrow. Good night. Have a great rest. And let's continue discussion tomorrow. Bye-bye. Daddy. Daddy na lang tawag niyo sa akin. Yung manual, sige, turuan ko kayo. Pero kasi, actually yung manual kasi, ano siya? It's more on trial and error. Yung manual. You think of number, pag pinag-times yung dulo, pag pinag-plus yung gitna. Yun yung manual. Pero kasi tayo, again, is major shift, we are into the basics. We are into the shortcuts. So yun yung aking tinuturo sa ating session. Good night po, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night po. Yes, bukas ay rational tayo, rational, inverse, and variations. Yun yung ating last part ng college. Tapos, next week, we will have logarithmic and ano ba next week? Next week ay series, sequences, exponential, logarithmic. Yun yung ating lesson next week. Advanced algebra naman yun. Yun yung may log, exponential, next week yun. Okay? So, good night, everyone, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.